how to add a location shortcut on iPhone. So first of all, open your shortcuts application. Then from here, you can see we're on the all shortcuts. From where, tap on the plus icon right here. After doing that, here tap on search icons and search for open URL. Here you can see open URLs. Simply tap on it and select it. Now tap on this URL option right here. And now in here, you'll have to write down the exact thing that I'll show you guys. You have to write this exact thing, which you can also find in the description down below. Simply copy and paste it. So after doing that, this is all that you have to do. Simply tap on the tick button right here. Now you can simply go back. And whenever you want to turn on your location, all you need to do is simply tap on this shortcut. Just like this, we'll get straight to our location services. All you need to do is tap on the toggle button and turn it on. So in here, if you want this location shortcut to be on your home page or in your navigation bar, what you can do is, first of all, get back to your shortcut again. And the first thing that we're going to do is rename this shortcut. Simply tap on the three-dot bar right here. Then in here, tap on the open URL, tap on rename. And now I'm going to name this location. Now I'm going to also change its icon. So tap on the icon that you have currently right here. Then in here, you can scroll down. You can choose whatever icon that you want. I'm going to choose this one. And I'm also going to change the color. Tap on the green one. And when you're done with it, you can again simply go back. But since we are moving this to our home screen, tap on the arrow right here again. Then you can see the option of add to home screen. Tap on it and then tap on add. Now in here, you can see we have successfully added this to our home screen. So whenever you want to turn on and off your location services, you can simply tap on this shortcut and we'll get back to our settings. So likewise, if you want to add this on your navigation bar, what you can do is scroll down through your navigation bar and then in here, long press on it. Then you'll get to see the option of add a control. Tap on it. Then if you scroll down a bit, you'll get to see the option of shortcut. Here you can see shortcuts right here. Tap on run shortcut. Then in here, tap on choose. Now you'll have to select the exact shortcut, this location. And that will be it. If you go back, here you can see this is the shortcut. So I'm going to go back again, simply go down through my navigation bar, tap on the location. And just like this, we'll get back to our location services settings. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.